So an interesting example of a modern protected area network created after we already have all the infrastructure. So in this case, we're here in southern Texas, and we're looking at this complex of National Wildlife Reserve sites. And so these are acquired at different times, so they're different parcels and different names, but we have a big urban corridor, a big transportation corridor up here, lots of oil and gas and development around. And so these areas are essentially the extra land that was left around. And so we have parcel, 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 parcel. All these things are different colors. And this is more typical. So we sometimes think of protected areas like the Western National Parks, where we have a giant swath of area and the whole area is in the same level of protection. This is much more representative of modern parks, much more representative of the type of protected areas around the world where we already have human activity, human infrastructure established for a long time, and we overlay a level of protection on top of the existing network. And so we have this sort of patchwork array. In some cases, that patchwork array is consistent. In other cases, there's different activities and uses allowed on the different areas. Theoretically, that's okay, but the patchwork makes it much harder to protect, to enforce standards, and particularly if we have different uses going on in the different protected area units, it makes it that much harder to manage. But nevertheless, this is what most of the world faces when we talk about protected areas, looking at this example here in southern Texas.